Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you back in some memories. Not so long back, but in September 2018 we had gone to Mysore with I'd taken my Dominar with my Benelli friends, three of the Benellis to Mysore for 4 days. And on the way we met this very good rider gentleman called Sarath. So today's video is mainly about his bike, from then, like back in September 2018. That is not exactly in September, but in October he was supposed to participate in Raid the Himalaya, and he had converted his Dominar to a ADV. He had done quite a good lot of changes to the bike. So this video is all about that. Not wasting much time, I'll start a small interview about him, he's speaking about the bike, what all changes he's done, and then I'll add lots of images at the end wherein you can see what all the mods were done. Now I don't have a detailed vlog of like what all things did he do, from where did he procure, etc. So I'll leave a link to his Instagram and Facebook page in the description, and you can ping him there, follow him on his Instagram. He's soon going to be participating with the same bike in another event. I'll add details to that too. Of course you can follow him and get more details, more accurate details, more timely details. I won't be posting much about his event right now, but in future you can follow him and get more updates. And before you proceed with the video, please do make sure you have subscribed to my channel and do hit the like button. I do put in a lot of efforts to capture such moments and pass it on to you guys. For some are for entertainment and some are very useful videos, some very information I do give out in all the DIYs that I do, tips and tricks, etc. So please do subscribe and don't forget to watch this video till the end. So guys, as many of you knew, I'm headed to Mysore with my Benelli gang, and look what I found, a beautiful machine Dominar. Superb mods done. There's my machine. So we have the owner out here and he's going to explain us what all has been done and why.
So we are trying to bring the ADV out of Dominar. The engine's got enough power to go everywhere. The document is brilliant. And there are a few things that I'm not really happy with, the kind of rides that I do. So the first thing that we did was put spoke wheels. We put an 18 in the front and 17 in the back.
Okay.
The aluminium, the front hub was milled out of a billet aluminium block.
Okay.
And the rims are from Royal Enfield. The tires are simpler. And then we have something in the back. The hub is borrowed from Thunderbolt right now, but we're going to make a hub once we are back.
Okay.
So it's not a tubeless thing, but good tires, that way the punch is not really a worry. Then we shifted the whole footplug assembly completely into the front, almost towards the center part of the motorcycle. That way you can quickly stand up and move around with the speed breakers or bad terrains that you're going to ride. Okay. Now you're pretty much standing straight, you're not punching and stuff like that.
Right.
Then we have made a Sahyadri's crash bar. So this is going to take care of the tank and the radiator and stuff like that. This would be used to take care of, it's going to protect the crankcase and stuff like that. And once another exhaust setup comes into picture, which will happen in Bangalore, we'll have a bash plate that will be mounted, which would ensure the whole base is protected. We could pretty much park the motorcycle on that. Okay. And then we're going to have some suspension work to be done. Most probably that will happen in the next 2 weeks. And the bike should be ready by 2nd of October.
Okay.
And 8th of October is when we have the date, and hopefully kind of complete.
So guys, this video is not going to be out before that. I hope you don't get disappointed. This is going to be after 10th or 15th of October, because this is completely secret work and it cannot go out in public as of now. At the end of the video, as usual, I'll be adding some nice pictures, some close-ups of the mods, and some of these would be available out readily and some would not be there.